Come test drive the 2017 Audi A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start, hard disk drive media storage, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, front-wheel drive. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.